It's a whole load of styles of writing being brought together.
The Bournemouth Journal is our very own international literary review. Our slogan is, "We contain multitudes."
So we wanted to be able to use that to expose what it's like to be judging at a journal.
This year has literally been like a year of just first things, and that being one of them.
We've created a shared folder for our journal issue as well, where we've got everything.
We work alongside each other, making editorial decisions.
I think group work's really good. They can just talk to each other and they can get things done.
It's really nice to be able to find your people within that.
It's been really nice to connect with people from all over and see how we all differ, but also can create something really beautiful.